Today we are going to see the trends in India regarding the programming languages. Here we are going to compare different programming languages, right? C, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, Ruby, Kotlin, etc. all of them. And let's see how one is comparing with the other. So let's begin. I'm going to start with Java first. Let's say Java and let's choose the programming language. So here it begins. This is how the graph has been, and probably I think it must be Diwali during this. So it's getting down, and in Andhra it's like the maximum. Probably because of Hyderabad, I think it's being used so much in here. So now let's start comparing it first with another famous programming language, which is Python. And here we are choosing the programming language, not the snake. And on an average, Python is a little bit better than Java. Java is 81 and Python is 82. And here we can see that Python is currently doing better than the Java, and both of them got a dip during the Diwali time. So, but both the languages are going more or less the same. The interesting thing here to look in the states. So here we can see like in Jammu and Kashmir. In the western part, I think it's mostly the Python which is faring better, like in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and also in the southern part, like in Kerala, Tamil, Andhra, and Karnataka, it's the Python which is doing better. But in the middle, like in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, and other regions like Bihar, and so Java is doing better. It's like the Java is like the older choice in the region where it's more being studied academically because still in the academic section Java is more popular than the Python, but the trend is changing, of course. Now let's add one more language, the bigger one which is used most, the JavaScript. So after adding JavaScript, JavaScript is faring a little bit lower than both of them, but not that much lower. So when they're like 79, 78, so JavaScript is faring 50, it's 49, and others are 82 and 81. So let's see. Okay, in Gujarat, it's the JavaScript is doing much better, and probably because businessmen over there are making websites for their use, so JavaScript might be more popular there. Okay, now let me add another famous, that's C++. It's high-level programming language. Others are just the programming language. Okay, C++ is doing lesser than all of them, and it's not part of the map in any state, not leading in any state. So I think now Java and Python are just leading the race and cannot be compared with any other. So yeah, Turbo C++ download for Windows 11 is 1700% rise. I don't know who is using Turbo C++ now. Okay, programming JavaScript is the leading Google search in the terms of JavaScript. So now let's remove Python. Okay, and okay, in that case, like JavaScript is only holding C++ is only holding in Assam only, right? So in Assam, C++ is still popular. Now let's remove Java also. So I've removed Java and Python, and now that I'm comparing between JavaScript and C++. So here we can see mostly it's JavaScript, but in some northern state and In Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, in Himachal, Uttarakhand, and Jammu Kashmir, it's just C++. So now let me compare. Now let me remove the JavaScript also. Like it's also some little bit famous. Now let me compare C++ with C. Okay. Well, interest plus C++ is very well high. Much more than the C. So C++ is clearly a winner here. Okay, let me compare C with the new in the competition, like the Rust. Okay, Rust programming language is not coming. Let me just try the Rust. Okay, C is like taking a lead, like Rust is nowhere. Oh my god. So, what about the Kotlin? Kotlin is really popular. No, Kotlin is also nothing in front of C. Oh my god. Okay, so now C you have to go because now I have to compare between the. So now Rust and Kotlin have some kind of fights. So in Karnataka, I think Kotlin is more famous. They are doing the Android project, and obviously in Gujarat, they are building applications for their business. In the other part, just the Rust is more popular. And any more language that has been left? So Golang. Oh, how did I miss the Golang? So Go programming language, right? And here Go is clearly the winner. So the big reason for Go being clearly the winner here is because it's most used in the containerized system like in Docker, in Kubernetes, etc. So Go is currently in huge demand in every company. So Go is going to get used everywhere. In some part like in northeastern part and Himachal and Jammu, it's mostly Rust, and here they are doing more application development in Gujarat, so it's more Kotlin, and but the rest part it just go and go. So right.